I'm here today with the students of Lake University W Forestry, and we are in the forest and seeing how wood mice, small mobile sawmill, is producing lumber, and Matthew Leach is the main operator. Really interesting day.
Every autumn, forestry students are spending about a month having field courses just after getting back from summer break. Immediately after getting to Thunder Bay, I had an opportunity to join them, and we went to forest and studied that how mobile sawmills are used in Canada. Mobile sawmills are popular and common here because distances are long, and quite often it is a good option to produce the lumber there on the spot where it will be then finally used instead of transporting it long distances from hardware stores, from cities, or taking logs forward and back long distances to other sawmills.